Now that we've paired our Blackboard course and our McGraw Hill Connect course, let's look at building deep links in our module content area. So let's say I'm in module 2, I want to build a link over here or somewhere in module 2 that links to an assignment in my Connect course. So to do that, I will go to hover over Tools, click on McGraw Hill Connect, and then I'm going to click on the assignments. And it's going to give me a list of assignments. So these assignments are currently in my McGraw Hill Connect course. So I'm going to select Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. If I want to create a new assignment, I can click on New Assignment. But since my assignment's already built in my McGraw Hill Connect course, I'm going to select them. And I'm going to hit Submit. And just to make sure it's going to Module 2, I'm going to hit Submit. And if I scroll down to Module 2, you will see that I have deep links to my assignments in my Connect course.